Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about my current Amazon favorites that the internet made me buy. So these are things that I recently bought on Amazon that I am obsessed with, that I bought purely off of someone else's video, a restock video, or just because I liked the ASMR sounds in a video, and then I bought that product and they turned out to be great. So if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I post organizing videos, I post Bath and Body Works videos, sometimes some content about Amazon products or Wish products. So I would love to have you here. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. So all of the products I'm going to show you, I was purely influenced by somebody else somewhere on the internet that I saw, and I thought I had to have it. So the first thing I'm going to show you are these Tupperware. So you might have seen these. They are new and trending Tupperwares made by Rubbermaid, and I stumbled across like a compilation of restock videos from TikTok. Now I don't have a TikTok, but they pop up all the time on Instagram, and I love like cleaning compilations and restock and reset videos. I saw a bunch of people using these Tupperwares for like their fridge restock, and they would do like fruits and veggies and they would put them in here, and then you would hear the click. So there's like the suction cup level, and then it clicks. And I love that sound. I got a pack that has a bunch of different sizes. I'm just showing you two of them, but I just love the click so much. And it really is like super airtight. So here it is again. You got the suction cup and then the click. I mean, that's nice. That's really nice. Because they were trending and they click really nice, I bought them. And they are really, really good quality. They are dishwasher, top rack safe, and they make your food last longer. So highly recommend. By the way, all of the products that I'm talking about, I'm linking down below. I actually have an Amazon storefront now, so you can just click that link and then you can look at all of the things that I recommend, and these are going to be categorized in with my Amazon storefront. So if you want any of these things, the link is there. Okay, this next item is definitely unnecessary, but it was so cute, I had to get it. So I saw somebody using this tiny little vacuum for her desktop, and I thought it was adorable, and I sit at my desk all the time at home, and I was thinking it would be really good for my makeup area, where I have like a makeup desk and I have a ton of makeup, and you know, there's always like sprinkles of powder and things all over the desk, and this is the perfect solution because you can't just use a wipe or use your hand to get it off, of course. You have to have a cute little vacuum. So it actually works so well. To clean it out, you can like take off this part, and I haven't like dumped it out. There's like some fuzzies in here, but then it just pops back on. There's like little brushes on the bottom to like get everything off like your desk area, and it works really, really well. It's unnecessary, I recognize that, but it came with this tiny little brush that actually helps you get things out of, like if you had a dirty drawer and there was like little like crumbs and things stuck in like the corners of the drawer, you have a little brush to like get it out, and then this like scoops it right up. So it's just a little thing to make your life easier that is unnecessary but brings me joy. The next item are these scrunchies. So I was actually looking for something like this before I went on a recent trip to Europe, and I was searching a bunch and I didn't find anything that I really liked. And then an Instagram ad popped up one day, of course, probably because I was searching, the algorithm knows me, and I was suggested to find these. So these are not just regular scrunchies. I mean, they are. You can use them like a scrunchie. They are black and like satiny, but these are the secret compartment scrunchies. So it has this little black zipper, which blends right in, and it's a pocket, and you could fit your money or your keys or whatever else you need. Like if you were going to a concert and you didn't want to have a purse, or the reason that I wanted them was for when I was going to the beach and I was in a foreign country and we had like Airbnb keys that we needed to like keep track of, and I had money and I didn't want to just leave my stuff sitting on the beach while I was, you know, in the water. So I thought it'd be a little bit better to have it like hiding. So any like cash and things like that we kept in here, or just in case like, you know, there's like pickpocketers, you don't want to like just leave your valuables in your purse. You can just also have an extra security measure around your wrist so you don't have all of your valuables in one place. So these are actually really good quality. You can still use them for your hair, even with things in them. I found you can use them in your hair. And 5 came in a pack, and I think they were like $8.99. They were really affordable and really good quality. So highly recommend these. Now, this next item is something that I've bought before because of a YouTuber named Brittany Vasseur. I think that's how you say her last name. She's the only person that I remember to give credit to because I watch her videos all the time. And both of these next products actually were influenced by her. I love these bags. Now, you've probably seen these before. They're kind of trending, popping off. I've had them for a while now because she recommended them, but I had to buy more because I love them so much. They come in all these different sizes. They have different colors to code, and they're just like storage and organization bags, and they're really heavy duty. For example, this is the small one, and it's just a zipper bag, but it's like plastic. And it's just really heavy duty, and it's so nice to organize with. I love the different sizes. I love the color coding, and I'm gonna show you just a little clip of how I use these to organize. But I am gonna do a full video on how I organize my linen closet and things like tech items, and they're basically all used with these bags. So I am going to be filming another video soon. So if that is something you like to see, make sure to subscribe. But yeah, you just get a bunch of these, I think for like $19.99, and it comes with like 20 bags of different sizes, and they're really good quality. They're gonna last a long time. So I think this is definitely worth it to organize practically anything in your house. I also ordered some of these to use in my classrooms as well. This next item is a big item, but I love it so much. This is the priciest item I've ever talked about, but I was in the market to buy a new vacuum because our old one just did not do very well at all. It was actually like a pretty good brand and everything, but it was terrible. It was heavy, it didn't work right, and I just really needed a new one. As I mentioned, I was influenced by Brittany to buy the Shark cordless vacuum. I'm obsessed with this thing. When I tell you that I look forward to vacuuming and cleaning, it's true. It's because of this vacuum. It is cordless. Right now the main part is on the bottom because for storage you can like unhook it from here and store it at the bottom. Otherwise you would just like click it in and it would be at the top. So this is a cordless vacuum. It was a couple $100. I happened to get it when it was $120 off. So I got a really good deal on it. I was just waiting and waiting for the right time to buy it, and I got lucky and saw that it was on sale. So if this is something that you want to invest in, I highly recommend it. I would just suggest adding it to your Amazon wish list and then watching that price, because with Amazon things do fluctuate a lot, and a lot of times there's like coupons and things just randomly go on sale, and I don't know the rhyme or reason to it. So I would just keep your eye on it if this is something you are in the market for. It just really is the best vacuum I've ever used. It charges up, so there's like a battery pack that comes off and you just charge it, and then it's good for like 45 minutes, which is more than enough time for me to vacuum my house. There's a carpet setting, there's a hardwood floor setting, and there's pretty much nothing that this cannot suck up. Like, it works so well. I'm obsessed with it. Can you tell? Just like everything else, it is linked below. This last item is also unnecessary, but it brings me joy. It makes me really happy, and that is these little mini bottles. Simple, I know. But the reason I bought these exact bottles was because I was seeing somebody do a restock video of her mini fridge. And there's a bunch of people that do this. I'm so sorry that I'm not including any of their names because I really don't know who they were. I saw a bunch of people. It was just like a compilation I came across one day, and I was like, I'm obsessed with that. I need it. So I actually had a mini skincare fridge, and I used it for my skincare, but then it stopped working. So it was just kind of like storage. So I decided to get a new mini fridge. After seeing the video with these, I was like, okay, I don't really need my skincare to be cold. I'm just gonna use it for beverages. So I have this in our room actually, and I either put like juice or water. Right now I've just been doing water because it's super convenient when I'm thirsty in the middle of the night to just open my tiny little fridge, and then I have a chilled little bottle of water. It's perfect. Like I said, it's unnecessary. It's just one of these extra joys in life, and I'm so thankful that I can buy silly things like this, but it is so nice. I love filling these up and putting them in my little fridge. I'm also gonna link that exact fridge because it's super cute. It's a Frigidaire. I didn't buy this one on Amazon. I actually found it on OfferUp. So I bought it from someone local just around here. I drove to her house and I got a really good deal on it. I think it was like 15 bucks, but it's not too expensive. So I will link that below because it is available on Amazon as well. And so that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to buy any of these products that I talked about, the link is down below. Just click that one general Amazon link and then you'll find everything in my storefront. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye.